Okay, so the brand XIUGOAL sent this little box of toys for my 3 dogs, and there's 3 toys in here, and you can see they want at it. So here's what we have. We've got a little bunny. We got a bunny. We have squeakers and the crinkle sound in it. So as you can see, they immediately want to play tug of war with this one. No. You can tell that the quality is really nice too. And then here is the little duck. And he crinkles and he squeaks. And he's got a little beak right here. And then we've got the frog. So all 3 of them crinkle and squeak. And the texture has a texture on them here that will help with their teeth. You can play tug of war, you can play fetch with these. As you can see, the quality is really nice. They absolutely love these toys, and I like that I don't have to worry about the stuffing coming out because there's no stuffing in them.